Hello there, and welcome to this particular mini test for GCSE. We're looking at the first question. This particular first question looks like it's a BODMAS question. So in BODMAS, you open up the brackets, then you work out the operations for O, then you multiply, then you add, then you subtract. So brackets, operations, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let's just write that down there. Brackets, operations could mean anything like square numbers, cube numbers. Then you have division, then you have multiply, then you have add, and then you have subtract. Okay, so we have to do it in this order. So first of all, we have no brackets. There are no operations. We're going to go to multiplication first of all. So 2 times 5 is 10. So that's now worked out. Now after multiplication, we have to add. So we're going to go this way. We're going to add 10, add 7, which is 17. And then we're going to go back to our subtract, which is this way again. And it's going to be 17 take away 2, which is 15. So 15 is our answer for this question. So you've got 20 various mixed different types of mini test questions. So try your best, and we'll follow all these up in our next follow-up class. Good luck.